Hey guys, how's it going? Back in the kitchen, food prepping. So I'm doing a casserole, and I am doing mushroom, spinach, chicken casserole, and I'm using my cauliflower rice as my starch, or in lieu of just regular rice or whatever. And then I got some split chicken breasts that I boiled. They are cool to the touch. It's not hot anymore. And a lot of people are like, why do you do this? It's got so much fat. But once I take the fat off, drain all the water off of it, it's the juiciest chicken, and it's so easy. Like, it takes me no time to chop this chicken up, and I just take the breast meat and it just shreds up so nice and soft. It's like the best. And some people, you can substitute if you just want to buy some boneless, skinless breast and boil those or bake them till they're nice and juicy. But a lot of times when you bake them, it kind of dries them out. But this way, my chicken is juicy, and a lot of times that bone and fat gives it a lot of flavor, especially once it sits in the stock. But the fat just pulls off, and you're just stuck with lean chicken, and that's what I like. And it's all white meat, so that's why I always use split chicken breasts when I do any type of casseroles or soup, because it's just so flavorful and so juicy. So right now, I took some fresh mushrooms and some frozen spinach, and I'm just sauteing it with a little olive oil, trying to cook some of the water off of it. Just gonna saute it for a minute. It looks kind of gross now, but it's gonna end up being really good. And then I'm gonna mix that and put a little sauce with it, and then bake it in the oven. I'm sorry, I'm trying to film and like keep my food from burning out at the same time. But trying to get some of that olive oil rubbed on all the veggies so they don't stick. But I will let y'all see when I'm done. I'm gonna wash my hands, and I will show you the chicken once I'm done with it too. Okay guys, so you can see here that I'm just stuck with just tons of just lean white meat. And over here, so this is where I'm just dumping all my trash in my sink right now. And I always use gloves when I cook meat, because I hate touching meat. But it's just all the fat and skin that I just discarded, and it just peels right off. And if you don't really like those black spots that are left by like the blood pooling and spots, I just trim that off, so everything's just light. And again, it's just juicy and lean white meat. And it's a little extra prep time, but I definitely think I feel like it is like taking like my soups and whatever I use chicken in, I just think it just takes it to another level. And again, I think I cooked this earlier, let it cool. You can do it while it's hot, but you take the risk of burning your fingers. Also, letting it cool lets that chicken sit in the water and that stock, and this makes it even more juicy. So that's just my little tip. Split chicken breast, guys. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And the vegetables are almost done. Just trying to cook some of the water off of it, so when I bake my casserole, it won't be all watery. Almost done. I just used I think it's a pound of mushrooms, and then a half a bag of frozen spinach. Nothing. Ooh, it's falling up. Let me sit back. Sorry. Alright guys, I'll let y'all see the end result when I'm done. Okay guys, here's the finished product. So I sprinkled a little cheese over it, and just baked it. So again, it's cauliflower rice. I used a jar of Alfredo sauce, 2 split chicken breasts, half a bag of spinach, 1 container of mushrooms, and then I baked it all together. Now, I did not add any salt to this because we are, well, Larry's watching his sodium, but I think it came out real nice. I haven't tasted it, so I'm letting it cool off, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge, and I'm going to go ahead and take some out for dinner tonight for work, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge once it cools down a little bit and sets. Alright guys, cooking with C in the kitchen. What?